uses AI tools. I'm speaking of ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Do you sometimes pretend not to use AI because you feel like you shouldn't use AI, but actually you do? Every email I write to my clients, I check grammar with AI. Because if I put a typo in an email, how embarrassing that would be. So why should I be embarrassed to use the tools that we are given to make things better for everyone? As far as you are in control of the tool and not vice versa. You should control the tool, not the tool control you. I'm not sure you will win the award because probably that submission letter will be very similar, if not identical, to those of other students who lazily asked ChatGPT to write the very same letter. Use a bit more of words, use a bit more of effort to ask for help from ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to show you examples of a well-written submission letter. You don't know how to write a good letter until you see one. If you see 2 or 3, even better, because you recognize what are the shared traits of those letters, and you can learn from it. The motivation of why you're applying. They want to understand why you think that you deserve the awards and why you are worth the awards, right? And maybe you can also ask to give suggestions on how to structure from top to end the sequence of the parts. But if you let the tool write for you, your application will never stand out because it will be identical to those of other students who have done the same. Your application is not yours. So you are not controlling the tool, you are controlled by the tool. So, very practical. First thing, write in your language. The other good thing is that you can use English. When you don't know the word, you can also use another language. Sometimes I prompt half in Italian and half in English because I don't know exactly the right word in English. My body knows me, understands. When I check that the answer is something that is useful, then I go back to the tool and I write, hey, ChatGPT, write the prompt that you will execute for this. You will notice that the way ChatGPT does it, the answer that provides the second round that you do, it's even better than the first. But even the first time when you write in your own language, the prompt, remind what are the 4 ingredients. It's like cooking a meal. You need to have the right ingredients to make it taste good. So a prompt, an instruction, it's usually longer than just few words because it has to feature 4 elements. Think of the AI tool as your body, and if you are unsure of how you are expressing yourself in the right medium, the way you write for LinkedIn is not the way you write an email. It's not the way you write for an application letter. Every medium, every channel has a specific way of writing. You can ask specifically ChatGPT to check what you have wrote in the draft for the context, but don't let the tool write for you. These little nuggets that we worked through together can be useful and can be applied in your daily life. And if you would like to share some cases of what you use ChatGPT for or what you want to get from ChatGPT and ChatGPT is not helping you, I can help you with the prompt. Thank you.